It is a swallow birds. Swallow birds are small and black birds. They have long pointed wings and forked tails. It is a hummingbird. A hummingbird is a very small bird. It flies quickly and their favorite food is sweet nectar. It is a swan. The swan is a large white water bird with a long neck. It is a symbol of love because swans can live up to 20 years with their mates. It is an eagle. Eagle is a large bird of prey. Eagles are known for their keen eyesight and the ability to soar high in the sky. It is a peacock. The peacock is a large and brightly colored bird. It has a long tail of iridescent feathers with eye spots. It is a pelican. Pelicans are water birds. They have a large body, a long beak, and a huge throat pouch that they need to catch fish. It is a parrot. There are many species of parrots different colors. They are intelligent birds, and some parrots have the ability to make sounds like human voices. It is an owl. Owls are birds of prey. They are solitary and specialists at nighttime hunting. Owls have large eyes, soft and motley feathers. It's a tanager. Tanagers are small to medium-sized birds. Tanagers are often brightly colored, but some species are black and white. It is a duck. Most ducks are water birds. They can be found in both saltwater and freshwater. They have a wide beak and a short neck. It's a flamingo. Flamingos are noisy birds, and they live by water in big groups called flocks. Flamingos usually stand on one leg. It's a gull. Gulls are smaller medium birds. They are white, with gray or black wings, a yellow beak. They like to live near water. It's a toucan. Toucans live in rainforests and like to eat fruits. They have huge bright colors beaks, which can grow larger than their bodies. It's a pigeon. The common names pigeon and dove. Pigeons are usually medium and gray colors. They are common in many cities. It's a sparrow. Sparrows are small topped birds. They have short tails and strong beaks. Sparrows often make their nests near buildings. It is a falcon. Falcons are small birds of prey with pointed wings and long tails. Falcons have exceptional powers of vision and flight speed.